Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this video guys, we will discuss what is encapsulation in Java. So first of all, we will understand the concept of encapsulation. So I will give you one real-time example and we will try to implement those example in Java. Okay. So I'll go for the Amazon application. So if you will try to sign in, right? So you cannot directly sign in unless you did not register in Amazon account, right? So if you are a new customer in the Amazon, not only for the Amazon, if you will go for the any other application like net banking or other application as well. So first of all, you have to become an authorized person of those application. Understood, right? So if you will not get authorized, you are not able to access. Understood, right? So this application we cannot access directly. You have to require some data. Those data you have to send to the Amazon people. Amazon people will validate your data. Your data is valid or not. Understood, right? So if I will go for create your Amazon account, so here you have to enter your name, your mobile number and your password. So these are the data. If you will enter, then Amazon will validate in the backend. Then you will get one OTP, right? When you will enter all the data and verify mobile number, you will get one OTP. Once you will enter the OTP, then you will have access to log in this account, right? So we will get username and password. So what happen when you will enter this name, mobile number and password in the backend, it will validate. Understood, right? The data. So what you are going to do, you are entering means you are going to set the data, right? When you are going to set the data, this is the one operation, and in the backend it will validate your data, means you are getting the OTP and you are able to access, means you are able to authorize, you are authorized person to access, means you are getting your credential. So did you observe here we have a concept called setter and getter. Understood, right? You are going to set the data. While going to set the data, what you have required, you have to enter the data inside the text box, right? Understood, right? So in encapsulation also, this data, this data is variable, will define as a private. Then we have some validation. We are doing, Amazon people are doing some validation. How this validation is going to happen? Because of setter and getter method. So we will use setter and getter method to implement encapsulation concept in Java. So first of all, if someone will ask you, let me erase this guys or erase it. If someone will ask you what is the definition of encapsulation, so in Java how you can define the encapsulation concept? The process of creating a class by binding variable. So we have a class. So now I'm just going to discuss the technical word. I have shown you the concept, right? Encapsulation concept. Then how to define this and how to implement in Java the process of creating a class. So we are creating a class by binding the variable. How to bind the variable, I'll come. And method as a unit. How to define the method, I will come. Then operating variable only through this method is called encapsulation. Understood, right? So how to develop this encapsulation in Java? By declaring all the variable as a private and by defining one pair of public setter and getter method. So conclusion is, we are providing security to the data. Understood, right? You are not able to access my account. I am not able to access your account unless you will share the credential. So the main purpose of encapsulation is other people cannot access data directly. If they want to access, they need some proper validation or authorization to access the data. Understood, right? So by developing the encapsulation, we achieve security to data. So this is the definition of encapsulation, guys. And just I have given one real time example for registration phase of Amazon. Hope you are able to understand what is the encapsulation. Next video we will try to implement those registration page code using the encapsulation concept. So next video, do not miss it. We will try to implement encapsulation code in Java. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.